Hello monster friend, how are you? In the previous build I talked about Boolean type variable. Now it's time to talk about multiple variable declaration. Example 21. A used car store receives a lot of information about cars coming for sale. Is it possible to store all important information about them in just one line of code? It's always possible in Python. See that I created 5 variables separated by comma with important information about the cars. Then I assigned values to each of the variables, 3 strings and 2 integer variables, all in just one line of code. I run the cell, it turned green, so everything is okay. Let's check if it worked. Now I'm going to use the built-in print function. Remember that this was one of the reserved variables that you couldn't use. Precisely because it already has a function of its own. Put the brand variable in and the output is Audi as expected. Now, doing the same thing with the value variable, only adding some explanatory text in quotes and then separated by comma the value variable. Ready? Printed what I wanted. Well, that's it for now. I will see on the next episode. Bye bye.